important things about a vacuum cleaner. Every so often you have to check the paper bag inside. Once it gets full, empty it out and put a new one. Be sure when you put a new one, it sits right into the gasket of the cover of the vacuum cleaner. Put the new Vac Bag and you close the clips of the vacuum. Another thing is the extension cord has to be attached to the body of the vacuum cleaner. Otherwise, when you pull and you have the extension cord straight into the vacuum cleaner, it's gonna pull the wires and get these wires loose. You don't want that to happen. You prevent by doing this. Attach the extension cord to the body of the vacuum plug. Another thing, this is the wrong way to do the wrap of the extension cord. The right way to do it is stretch your arms, bring it to your left arm. And once you're done, what you have to do is put the extension cord on top of it and you're ready to go.